How to fix Android volume buttons not working. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find sounds and vibration below display and other apps and notification. Click on sounds and vibrations. In here, you'll find media volume. From here, you can adjust your volume. After that, simply try to click on the volume button. If it does not work, simply restart your device. After you restart your device, if there was problem in your system, simply your buttons will work after restart. If not, you need to go to any shop to repair it. And this is how to fix Android volume buttons not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.